If the problem with your Whirlpool made 29-inch electric dryer is that it won't start in any of the cycles that you try it on, the first thing that you need to check are the voltages at the terminal block. Let me show you how to check the voltages at the terminal block in a 29-inch Whirlpool made electric dryer using a multimeter. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Go behind the dryer and remove the terminal block cover plate. Set your multimeter on a scale that could read more than 240 AC volts. Connect the dryer to the wall outlet. Caution: you will need to be very careful and listen to my instructions since you're going to be working with 240 AC volts and it could be very dangerous if you don't do it right. Grab the multimeter test probes by their insulated handles and make sure that no part of your body is making contact with the dryer to avoid getting an electrical shock. Okay? When you take a reading between these two terminals, the reading should be between 200 and 260 AC volts. And when you take a reading between these two terminals, the reading should be between 90 and 130 AC volts. And when you take another reading between these two terminals, the reading should be between 90 and 130 AC volts. If the readings are below what I showed you, then the problem could be a bad power cord, a bad wall outlet, a trip circuit breaker, or a blown fuse. You will need to make sure that you get the right voltages at the terminal block before doing anything else with the dryer. If the voltages are okay at the terminal block, then the problem is somewhere else in the dryer. To finish, disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet, install the terminal block cover, and try the dryer to see if it works now.